Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, paste it over here and click on generate. Step number 3, you can get paid money online for this incredibly viral niche right now. You don't need a camera for this. We're not going to be creating any content. You don't need TikTok. You don't need Instagram Reels. You don't need YouTube Shorts. We don't need any social media platform to make money online from this. All you need is the ability to copy this link over here, whether it's on a mobile phone or a laptop, and you can make multiple streams of income online. In fact, every single second of this video is bringing you closer to $30,000 a month using TikTok without even creating your own content. I suggest pay close attention to this video and watch every single detail of this video, as you don't want to miss any of the steps that I'm going to show you in order to set up the successful TikTok business. You see, this person over here is approximately making anywhere between $500 and $2,000 every single day, posting 1 to 2 TikToks every single morning and afternoon, and they are absolutely killing it with views. None of this is their own content. They're not coming up with themselves. They're not recording their own face. They're not even touching a camera or a phone to go and make this kind of content. And over here you can see this link in their bio leads to other different socials. They've got a paid Discord server over here, which is how they're making money online from this, except we're going to be doing this a little bit differently. We're not going to be using a Discord server. I'm going to show you how you can go and do this with passive income affiliate links. Now, this has nothing to do with TikTok ad revenue. We're not going to be making money on ads or anything like that. We're going to be utilizing the virality of TikTok with this brand new niche over here that is really blowing up right now. As you can see, they are getting millions and millions of views, more views than what they have followers over here. I can actually show you a couple of smaller channels doing this. This guy only has 181k followers, and some of his videos are getting close to 2 million views. There's another one over here with 2 million, another one here with 790,000. So as you can see, these videos absolutely blow up, and TikTok is the kind of platform where you can get 100,000 views overnight from the algorithm without having any followers. That's just how the TikTok algorithm is working right now. And you can also go and copy and paste this onto Instagram Reels to double up your views, double up your audience, and double up your money online. As you can see, all this person is doing is copying and pasting stories from Reddit, overlaying a text to voice editor with a random background video of a swing and just putting it on text over here. And they're basically getting millions of views doing this. So Reddit stories on TikTok right now, turning that into a video is a great way to get a lot of views, and we can monetize that in multiple ways. So in this video, I'm going to go and teach you how to go and create a video like this. It's super important that you know how to do this. You can't just go and slap bang some voice to text generator from Reddit onto a video. There's a specific way that you need to set it up in order to maintain your audience retention. And the best thing about Reddit is that there are unlimited stories. There are hundreds of new stories being posted every single day. So there's literally infinite content ideas for the rest of your life. So this is something that you can be running for the rest of your life, a business and a page that you can really be growing and hand down to your kids one day, to their kids, and it will just constantly grow and produce more money online as it goes. So the first thing we can go and do is get an idea of what Reddit stories people like the most. So we can just go and Google best Reddit stories. Click on enter, and over here you can see what are some classic Reddit stories that users should read. 21 Reddit stories no one will believe, 12 most fascinating subreddits for mostly true stories. Over here you can see some very fascinating Reddit stories. So your TikTok could be all about the totally random celebrity sightings. So over here you can see is a link to this specific Reddit, and you can go and view the full Reddit over here. Here is another good example, 12 of the most fascinating subreddits for mostly true stories. Over here you can have a look. Relationship and relationship advice. Confession stories is usually a very good video type that does well on TikTok. So if I go and open this up, you can actually have a look. For example, this is a great story to go and turn into a TikTok. So this is how it works. All we're going to do is we're going to come over to a website called veed.io. We can click on enter. We're going to click on the first link over here. This video editing tool over here will overlay captions onto your video. So it will take this entire story and put it into captions. All we're going to do is we're going to log in with our free account. We're going to click on new project on the top right, and here we can go and upload our video file. We then want to come over to pexels.com just to go and find some stock image. If you have a look at these videos over here, they're just using random stock videos as the background. Click on videos and just go and have a look at some of the videos over here. We can go and use, for example, this one over here, which kind of looks like a mom driving a car, so it kind of suits the niche. We can go and click on free download, and it will download to our PC. Once this has been downloaded, come over to veed.io and come over to the same folder where you've downloaded that video and go and upload that over here. We then want to click on subtitles, click on add subtitles, and you want to go and type in your own subtitles. So we can then go and copy paragraph for paragraph just like this, and we want to go and centerize this over here just in the middle of the screen. And the second thing we want to go and do is turn this text into a voice. So we're going to come back to Reddit over here, copy this first paragraph, come over to a tool called wideo.co/text to speech, paste your entire text over here, click on preview.
I'm 33F and I have 2 kids ages 5 and 3. My husband and I agree.
And then click on download as MP3. And this text has now been downloaded as an MP3. Come back to v.io. You want to click on upload upload audio, upload file, and upload that same file. And then all you want to do is at the end of this line, paste it again, right click paste, and go and copy that same text. And you just want to have it until, if you have a look here, you just want to lift this up a bit and you want to drag this until the end of this video over here. And when the voice finishes, just right click, click on split elements over here, and right click, click on split elements over here. And you can go and delete this. Yeah, you can see the audio file at the end. So that is the first paragraph complete. We can then click on plus over here and go and upload that same video over here. And now all we want to do is just go and copy paragraph number 2, come back to v.io, click on subtitles, and paste it over here under the third one. And then we want to drag this and we want to paste this over here. And then all we want to do is just go and copy the same paragraph again, right click copy, come back to the voice to editor tool over here, repaste this and click on preview, and then click on download as MP3. Come back to v.io, just stretch these captions out, and you want to go and upload the second audio file. So click on upload file and upload that second audio file. Then just drag it all the way across over here to where the second clip starts, and just drag these subtitles. Click on add new line and paste that same line over here, and just stretch this out until this voice finishes. And there you can see it ends. So you just want to drag this caption to where it ends over here. And there we can click on this video and we can go right click. We can click on right click, split elements, delete this, and then finally for the third paragraph, we can go and copy this, come back to v.io, upload that same video. So as you can see, the background video is just playing in repeat. That's basically why we're uploading it multiple times. And then we want to click on subtitles, click on subtitle another video, click on video number 2, click on add subtitles, scroll down and paste your new text over here. And you want to stretch this all the way out. Come back to this voice to edit software and paste this over here. Click on preview again and download this as MP3. And as you can see, what we're doing is we're basically just moving paragraph by paragraph, which will fit in this TikTok screen over here. This is what the video is going to look like on TikTok. We then want to click on upload and go and upload that same audio file that we downloaded of paragraph number 3. Drag this all the way across. Go and upload another video again of this pixels video. Keep dragging this across. Upload this another video. As you can see, we must just keep stretching it out. And we can now drag this audio file across to this line over here. And now what we can go and do is we can go and stretch out these subtitles. We can add our new subtitles. Click and just scroll down and paste your paragraph here and on this one over here. And over here where this audio ends, we can click on this video file. Just drag this little arrow to the end over here. Right click, split element, and you can delete this here. Let's upload the last and final paragraph. I think there's one more over here which we can upload. It's this paragraph here. Right click copy, come back to v.io. You want to go and click on subtitles, subtitle another video, manual subtitles, and go and click on add subtitles over here and stretch this all the way out. Come back to the voice to edit software and paste your last paragraph and click on preview and click on download as MP3. Come back to v.io, click on upload and go and upload that final audio file over here. Drag this all the way across where it starts over here where this last audio file ends. Go and add subtitles again, subtitle another video, manual subtitles, and go and click on this last video, add subtitle. And here we can now go and paste, just go copy, paste this here. It'll basically read this entire story on text on the screen with a free pixels video in the background. And once you're ready, you can go and click on export on the top right, export it as a high definition quality and export video. And now that this video has been downloaded, you can come back to TikTok over here and you want to go and create your own TikTok page. regarding real life stories or Reddit stories, or create something in this niche. You can use the Reddit logo as your logo, and you want to go and post about 1 to 2 times a day. You can also get some influence from these guys over here. Whatever you do, don't download their TikToks and repost. Create your own, because the algorithm will pick that up and you won't go viral at all. You want to create your own unique stories from Reddit, as the TikTok algorithm will pick up that that's fresh new content, and it will promote that a lot more to a bigger audience. In order to go and make money online from this, we can come over to a website called clickbank.com. And we can go and load up an affiliate link in the description of our profile. Come over to the marketplace, and over here we can go and look through a whole bunch of different categories of different products to go and promote. We can come over to the self-help category over here, and yet we can find a whole bunch of different products relative to this category. So here we can see Irresistible Texts Women's Dating Offer, which is obviously a whole program that teaches you on how to text the woman. Over here we've got His Secret Obsession, which is obviously about how you can get guys or girls or something like that. So let's go and use Irresistible Text Women Dating Offer. This is quite a good product that suits this niche. So all we're going to do is we're going to click on Promotes over here, click on Generate Hop Links, and go and copy your affiliate link over here. And yeah, you'll see every time you sell this product, you're going to get a commission of $86.73. But more importantly, take a look at this. If I hover over this blue arrow, reoccurring billing, meaning you're going to get a passive income every single month from this product. So that means the person that you refer needs to sign up with a monthly fee to be a part of this program, and you're going to get a commission of that every single month. So how this works is if you refer 5 people your first month and 5 people the next month, you're now going to have 10 people paying you every single month. And let's say you refer another 5 people the third month, now you're going to have 15 people paying you every single month. So you can see how you can build up a huge passive income business with this. So we're then going to come over to a website called Linktree on Google over here. We can click on Linktree. We want to click on Get Started for free or log in with your account. And this is a tool where we can go and create a bridge page. So I'm just going to delete some of my old links over here. Click on delete. If you've probably got a new account, it will most likely be blank. Click on add new link. You want to go and paste your URL for your title. You can come back to ClickBank and we can go and copy the title of this. Click on title, paste this over here, and now this is ready. So we can go and copy this link, paste it in a new tab, and here you can see Irresistible Text, Women Dating Offer. And now this link to this Linktree page over here, we want to go and paste in the bio of our page like this person has done. Yeah, you can see they're also using a Linktree link. And just like that, you're going to get tons, even thousands, even hundreds of thousands of clicks every single day with these kind of views over here. So let's go and calculate if we get just 5 sales every single day. 5 times 86 is $430 a day. Now with this kind of views, you're going to get a lot more than that. Let's say you scale to 50 sales in a day. 50 times 86 is now $4,300 in a day. So you can see how these TikTok pages are making a lot of money with all of these views with affiliate links in the link in the description. So TikTok is not like YouTube where you make money off ad revenue, but you rather make a lot of money off merch sales and affiliate links. And I'm going to tell you a secret. This is what I suggest. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all those platforms do not favor posting once, hoping to go viral, and then you make a ton of money. The algorithms are not made like that. They favor creators that are consistent, that post once a day, that stick to a schedule. And once the algorithm picks up that you're actually putting in the effort and posting, it will then start to promote your content. So what I suggest is create one of these stories and post every single day. Have a daily series of these Reddit stories. And probably by the end of a month, you'll be close to 20, 30,000 followers. At the end of the year, you can even have your page at 1 million followers. So really suggest go and put the effort into a business model like this. It can really blow up. But what I'm going to do is to help you out even more, I'm going to leave a playlist over here on the screen, which will take you to my trading playlist, which will teach you how you can take money like this, invest it in the Forex markets like I do to make thousands of dollars every single day trading Forex. So what I recommend is go and click on this playlist over here, learn how to turn your money into more money while making active income over here and turning your money into even more passive income over here on Forex trading. So go and click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.